going to be a quick video. I'm going to connect Google Sheets to Microsoft To-Do task in such a way that as soon as in my Google Sheets I add in a new task details, that task is also created in my Microsoft To-Do account so that my team members can know that this is the task that is assigned. Okay, so now first of all, let me show you how this automation is actually going to work. So the task title is schedule Instagram content for the week, and the date that I am going to assign this task on 2nd of July 2026. So I'm going to do that 2nd of July 2026. I'm so sorry. I will update the details right here. Okay, so I have updated the thing. Schedule Instagram content for the week. It's on 2nd of July 2026. So as I've added the details, if I'm going to open my Microsoft To-Do account and refresh this, you can see this is the date. Schedule Instagram content for the week. It's on 2nd of July 2026. So as now this task is added in my Microsoft To-Do account, this is how the setup actually is going to work. As soon as you will add in the task details in your Google Sheets, automatically the task is going to be created into your task manager tool. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this setup. To create the setup, I'm using the software Pabbly Connect. If you want to access Pabbly Connect, on a new tab, search for www.pabbly.com/connect. You will come to this landing page. Now, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, sign up for free from here, using which you will receive 100 free tasks every single month. And using the task, you can create the setup with me right away. Till the end of this video, you are going to connect your Google Sheets to Microsoft To Do as well. So if you're planning to purchase a yearly or one-time plans, use the code on the left side of my screen to get additional and amazing discounts on the purchase. Go ahead, use the code purchase our plans and automate your business workflows. Using Pabbly Connect, I've already created this template. If you want the link of this template, check out the free link of workflow in the description section below. We are going to set up a trigger, that is Google Sheets, new or updated spreadsheet row. Copy the URL from here, using which we are going to connect our Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect and open your spreadsheet that you need to connect. From the panel, go to extensions, add-ons and get add-ons. You will come to this window. On the window, on the search apps bar, you need to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install the application inside Google Sheets. After installing, go back and refresh the spreadsheet from here. Now go to extensions, you will see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, from which select the option of initial setup. The dialog box of initial setup then is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. To enter the webhook URL, paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided you, and the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that raw data will be sent to the webhook URL. In this spreadsheet, my trigger column is column B, because in this column, as soon as the data is added, automatically I want the entire row's data should be forwarded towards this URL. That is why this is my trigger column. Okay, click on the submit button. It says setup configured successfully. Go back, one last step is left. Go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks again and turn on the send on event option, so that with the help of this event, as soon as you will add in the new details, the details will be automatically forwarded to this trigger right here. Click on this recapture, because we are going to check whether the connection is done or not. For that, I'm going to add in my new task details right here. For the title, I will write over here as, so my title is follow up with new Facebook leads. Okay, so this is my title, and for the date over here, I'll write it as 1st of July 2026. So this is the date. I've entered the title and the date. So if I'm going to go back to my trigger, you will see the response is going to be captured. The same title, follow up with the new Facebook leads with the same date, 1st of July 2026. So as now the response is captured, this means that Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let's add this task in our Microsoft To Do account. For that, we're going to set up the connection right here. Click on this add new connection option and click on this connect with Microsoft To Do button. Then it is asking for the permission for the account, for which click on this accept button, as this is a safe process and the data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After the connection has been created, for the task list, I will select over here as task. If you want, you can select the different list according to your requirement. For the title, I will map the data. To map the data, add a slash. Previous step is going to appear, where this is the title which I want to create as a task. So I'm going to select the data from the previous response, which makes this data mapped in dynamic. Now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step of Google Sheets, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. Priority is going to be high, so I'm going to write over here as high. Status is going to be not started, because this is a new task that I'm creating. For the due date, we have to enter the due date in this format, in a UTC time zone format right here. But I have the due date in the previous response in this simple format. So we are going to change this due date from here, save the step, go back and add an action step, where for the action application, select over here as date time formatter by Pabbly and the event as format date with time zone. Click on this connect button. For the date, I will map the date of the date that I have received right over here that I want to edit. For the from, I'm going to select the from date over here as this simple date format that we have entered. This is the exact format you can see. To format is going to be the UTC time zone format which I require. From time zone, it's Asia Kolkata. I'll select over here Asia Kolkata, and the to time zone also I'm going to select over here as Asia Kolkata because I want the same time zone. Okay. Click on this save and send test request button, and as soon as I will do that, I've received the date and time. Okay. So as now I've received the UTC time zone format, I will map the data of that date that I have generated in place of this due date right here. I will again map the data. Now this is an Indian Standard Time, so I'll write over here as Indian Standard Time. So Indian Standard Time. Okay, you have to write your standard time name right here, and then simply click on this save and send test request button, where I have received this response, which is a positive. If I'm going to open my to-do task page again, you can see over here a new task is created. It says follow up with a new Facebook lead, and it's due on 1st of July 2026. So as another task is created successfully, this means the connection between these two applications is now completed. Now whenever a new task details is going to be added in Google Sheets, automatically you will see the same task will be added in your Microsoft To-Do account. So if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, do comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. Use the code to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans and get instant discounts using this amazing code. It's in the description section as well. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.